Sub-assembly, assembling, clutch lever. Ensure the parts are clean before assembling. Inspect the lifter rod and clutch lever for wear or damage. Inspect the right crankcase cover hole for wear or damage. Check the return spring for fatigue or damage. Replace them if necessary. Apply clean engine oil to the clutch lever sliding surface. Install the clutch lever and return spring as shown. Now drive the spring pin to same height as observed during removal. Hook the return spring as shown. Install the lifter rod into the right crankcase cover hole while aligning the clutch lever slot with it.